What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. So if you have a Tesla Model 3 and you have the black interior, you have a nice wood trim that goes from the left side of your dash to the right side. But if you're like me, you don't necessarily like the look of the wood interior on the black dash. So when an Amazon seller reached out and was interested in to see if I wanted to test out their matte black dash cap, I was definitely interested. So in this video, we're gonna do a little bit of an unboxing and then we're gonna go out to the Tesla Model 3 to see how this looks on top of the wood dash. Let's get into the video. Thanks for watching another video. If you're new here, my name is Dennis. I just picked up a Tesla Model 3 and I make videos about my experience, including a weekly autopilot video in Los Angeles traffic. Here's the kit. I actually unboxed it already because I wanted to make sure it wasn't damaged during shipping. But as you can see, what's interesting is that it's two-piece, one for the right side of the dash and one for the left side of the dash. This kit is from Basenor. Links will be in the description and you can kind of see how it works. But I guess the split is behind the navigation screen, so you can't really see it. But it's not one piece as I was hoping for. It is matte black, so I'm still deciding on whether I like this look in the interior. I guess we'll see when we go out to the car and install it. Or should I try and wrap this in either like an Alcantara piece or some sort of other material because then I can just wrap this instead of wrapping the dash because this just goes on top of it. Basically just two ABS pieces. What's interesting is I do have an ABS plastic piece for the console wrap as well, and I'm still deciding on whether I like the vinyl or the plastic wrap. But this will match the ABS plastic wrap for the console completely because it's the same type of matte black plastic. But yeah, let's go out to the car, we'll do a test fit and we'll see how it looks. Actually doesn't look half bad. All right guys, so I just put it on top. I didn't stick or anything. One thing to note that, especially for this kit, it is split into two, as you can see right there. So there is a line right behind the navigational screen. Let's see if you can kind of see this. So you could potentially see it through the windshield if you're looking for it, but it's a pretty small line, I would say. Once it's stuck onto it, it'd be pretty fine, but it actually doesn't look too bad for this matte black look. It's really matching my center console right now. Well, actually no, because it's a little bit satin. It's a little bit shiny and a little bit satin where my center console is matte black. So there's a little bit of a difference, but it definitely covers up the ugly wood, which is nice. So, but yeah, let me know what you guys think of this dash cap. I just had this crazy idea of why don't I just wrap it so that it matches kind of that side door piece as well. It looks pretty good at the moment. It covers the wood trim because that didn't match at all and really makes the whole interior matte black or black, which is nice. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video and comment below on what you think about the dash cap, whether I should keep it matte black or should I wrap it in Alcantara or fabric and make a DIY video about it. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.